Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot find your Amazon purchased movie or media on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So in such case, we're gonna first have to check whether the TV is connected to the internet, and to do that, go to your settings, then navigate to network and make sure that your TV is either connected to the Wi-Fi, or if you have the Ethernet cable plugged into your TV, then check whether it's configured here, and also make sure that your Ethernet cable sits firmly in your TV. So once we made sure that the internet connection is all right, let's go to account and profile settings, and here select Synchronize Amazon content, and after that all your purchased content should be synchronized with your TV, and you should be able to find it within your Amazon applications. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.